BMW diagnostics and reflashing with ISTA and ISTA-P, BMW's online service software. A beginner's guide to using the software with your Drew Technologies J2534 device. Let's start with a quick overview. www.bmwtechinfo.com. This is BMW's service website. ISTA. This is the application used for diagnostics. ISTA-P. This is the application used for reprogramming and coding. All supporting documents accompany your subscription. This includes TSBs, wiring diagrams, repair manuals, etc. There are 3 subscription options: daily, month, and year. A dedicated PC is necessary. Using a separate user account for the installation is also acceptable. Depending on your model, a 20-pin adapter or 7 to 8-pin adapter may be necessary. There is an adapter matrix on the first page of BMW's website. Click on the link under the J2534 heading on the right. Navigate to section 2.1.3.1. Now let's review the PC system requirements. Operating system: Microsoft Windows XP Professional or Windows Vista. Graphics: resolution minimum of 1024 by 768. Minimum 2 GB of main memory. Hard disk: 80 GB free recommended. Processor: Pentium 4 at 2 GHz minimum. Internet connection: 256K minimum, 2 GB access recommended. Web browser: Microsoft Internet Explorer 6.0 or 7 required. The latest version of Java. User account: administrator rights required. Here are some guidelines on how to set up your PC before you install the BMW software. It is highly recommended that a dedicated PC or a separate user account is used to set up and install the BMW software. Make sure your power options are set to Always On. This can be found under Control Panel, then Power Options. Turn your screensaver off. Disable or uninstall any third-party antivirus and firewall programs. Disable Windows Firewall. Disable or uninstall any other programs that can interfere with the internet connection and the software experience. Here are some things to consider before you start. ISTA and ISTA-P are time-demanding software. Installing ISTA takes approximately 6 hours. Finding all modules on a vehicle can take 2 or more hours. ISTA-P downloads all flash files first and takes approximately 3 hours. Programming and coding 12 modules took approximately 6 hours. If you plan to add BMW to your repair list, we recommend finding a vehicle that you can use for a minimum of 2 weeks. Then buy a month subscription so that you can familiarize yourself with ISTA and ISTA-P. Plan on a day's worth of time for using either application. A power supply approved by BMW is required. We found that some models can use up to 75 amps at 14 volts. Using USB with the Cardac Plus worked the best. After programming, codes may be set that ISTA does not find. Pay close attention to the after programming instructions that ISTA-P displays. Now open your web browser and go to www.bmwtechinfo.com. When there, click on the Subscribe Now link at the top. Fill out all necessary information and click Submit at the bottom. Now select what length of subscription you require. You will be taken to a PayPal purchase site. Fill out all billing information and click Review Order and Continue. Review your order and hit the Pay Now button. Now click on the Return to BMW North America button. On the next page, click on the Login link. Now log in with the account you created and purchased a subscription for. BMW's main service page will open in your browser. Now we have to change a couple of Internet Explorer's security settings. From Internet Explorer, click on Tools at the top and click on Internet Options. This window pops up. Click on the Security tab, then Custom Level. Make sure the following are enabled: Run components signed with Authenticode, run components not signed with Authenticode. Click OK. Now click on the Content tab. Click on the Certificates button. Click on the Trusted Root Certification Authorities tab. Scroll down through the list and find the TC Trust Center Class 2 CA listing and click to highlight. Now click on View. Click on the Details tab, then Edit Properties. The window below right appears. Make sure code signing is checked and click OK. Click OK on the rest of the security settings windows. Now your internet security settings are set correctly. Now on to the installation of the BMW software. There will be 3 things we need to install from the BMW main page. Here are the 3 things to install once you have logged in: BMW PTT driver for 3G, WSM Online, and the ISTA client. These must be installed in this order. These downloads are under the Software Downloads heading as soon as you log in. When you click on each, a prompt will ask you to run or save. Run these files directly from the website. After you have installed all 3, restart your computer. This is where you can find these links. Click on each of the 3 links separately and run them. Do not save. Let each installer finish completely before clicking on the next one. Once you have installed all 3, restart your computer. When your computer has restarted, return to the BMW website and log back in. To start ISTA, the diagnostics application, for the first time, click on ISTA, Diagnostic Repair Information and Wiring Diagrams, under the 3G Online Service System heading. A window will pop up and ask if BMW can capture your session information. Either response will work the same. This page will ask if you want to display non-secure items. Click Yes. When the green box pops up next to the Start link, then everything is ready to go. Click on Start. Another window will come up. Click on Open. Now ISTA will run through its main install. This will take approximately 4 hours. Do not run anything else on this computer during this time. Check the install progress periodically to make sure there were no errors. When the initial install is done, the main ISTA window will pop up. This is the software that you will use to diagnose BMW vehicles. We will cover more on this application in BMW's programming application, ISTA-P, in the 2 complementary videos for BMW.